po, ang kasunod, makabago rin ang konsepto pagdating sa sex. Love and sex are two different things. Sometimes, love is boring, but sex is always fun. Yes or no? Oh, Mamsi.
Talaga? Ayaw nilang hawakan ng mga signs, Mamsi.
Sabi ka lang sa
Love is boring daw.
Love is boring.
Can you go instead of,
Okay.
since it's a very private question, I don't want to talk about that, pero
Okay.
I'll advise na lang,
Okay.
how you should do things.
Okay.
So, I think, I know a lot of girls start young. Some start when they're 13, even younger than that. But it's really more of, as much as possible, walang mga ganon. Siyempre sa family ko, madami mga, kasi ganito, ganyan. Erase that. Just be simple. Keep it simple, you know?
Yes.
Angelica.
Pass. Pass. Ayoko sumagot. Ayoko rin magsinungaling. Pass.
Same with heart.
Okay, Crystal.
Same with heart. Parang I'd like to give that advice to, keep it and save it for the person you really love. Kasi it's the best gift you can ever give that person.
Nako, mga Mamsi, sa aming pagbabalik, mga makabagong paniniwala raw ng mga makabagong babae. Diyan lamang kayo, magsama-sama tayong mga Mom!